is Cheryl Traxler, and I want to talk to you about my laptop lifestyle with real income proof. So you can see my account and how it is filling up with money and how this can work for you as well. So there is my cover, and I just wanted to shout out to you and let you know that I've been earning a income online, and I started this summer and it just keeps snowballing. I'm actually now on the elite team. I do very simple things to do this. I have learned what you do to make money, and we have a 7-figure earner that teaches you that skill. And the beauty is you do it and learn it and create the skill for your lifetime, but you also can earn income while you're able to learn, and which is the perfect platform, because how many people have time to wait months and months before they get paid, working hard and not knowing if they're going to make it or not knowing if it's going to work for them. And it's really important you know that it kind of keeps you going when you get wins, you get income, you have money coming in, you know you're on the right track, and you know you're making this income that spurs you on to do more and more and more. And that's kind of where I'm at. I've just been so blessed to be able to make this income. And I've made, goodness, I've lost track, $8,575. Now, actually, I've got that. And I got $450 coming to me in this weekend. So I'm very thankful. I'm going to show you my back office where you can see the income, and you'll see my name, and you'll see it's Cheryl Traxler. It's her account, and it's what she's making, and what she says is true. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to switch to a back office view so you can see that, and you can know the real income proof there for my work from home business. And then my link is below if you want to check it out. So that would be awesome. I would really exciting to share with somebody else, because how many people need an income in the times we live in right now, right? And so the Christmas holidays about on us. You know, we're in the holiday season. We've got lots of fun things planned, and it's a great time to start a new business and lock in a new income stream for yourself. That would be awesome. For you, your family, the blessing. It's been such a blessing for me and my family, and I've got 7 grandkids. It's always a blessing when a person does well and they have this income stream, and it blesses everybody. And that's what we're talking about. It's not, you know, it's about the time freedom with your family, with your kids. It's about being able to go on vacation. You know, I went to Florida. If you go to my Facebook page, you can see all the fun times I've had in Florida, and I actually live in Alaska, so it's quite a trip to Florida, actually, but it was a lot of fun, and I'm just thankful and blessed to have this in my life right now, and I just wanted to share it with you. You would definitely want to like my channel, hit the bell, and subscribe, and then go to my description. You'll find the link there to check it out and see what's going on. You know, you're not going to be by yourself. We have a team that's moving forward together, and that's so key. You're not all alone trying to figure it out. You've got a blueprint that's working right now that is giving people results, and that's what you want. So yeah, this is incredible, and I look so forward to be able to share that with you. So stay tuned so you can see my real income proof. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks for staying on so you can see my real income proof, so you can work from home. I mean, how exciting. So I'm going to show you my name, Cheryl Traxler. This is my back office. This is my Stripe account. And I'm going to show you my payments right here. So you can see the long line of income, consistent income that I've been receiving. Oh, not looking at it again. There we go. You're going to be able to see the long line of income I have here going on. So here you go. There's $50, $875, $500, $400, $450, $1,000 is what I have on the front of my thumbnail. That $1,000 day too. Awesome. 650, 400, and you can scroll up and see my 600, my 100. It just goes on. And incredible income payments like you see here. And there's my name right there in the left corner. So you can see it is my account. And there's my real income proof to show you that I am making money online. I am able to stay home every day. If I want to go out, I go out. If I want to stay home, I have that choice. I love that I have that choice. I have that freedom that if I want to go to Florida to see my family, I can do that. And I did that. And you'll see that on my Facebook page where you can see my trip to Florida and all the fun. So this is my real income proof. And I definitely wanted to show you this so you could see it. And go to my link, go here now.fun. That is my link. Type it in or go to it in my description and find out how you can make money from home, no matter what, no matter where no matter people have lost their jobs, they have lost their businesses. It's been really tough, and I just really am thankful that we have a work from home ability so people can get an income stream and they don't have to worry about their business going out or their job shutting down and their family, and being able to put food on the table and being able to pay their bills is so important. So I really appreciate you guys getting on and looking at my proof here. I've got a $450 payment coming in this weekend, so that will be another amount right there.